How to fix Instagram direct message not loading on Android or iOS phone. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to fix it easy and quick. First open Play Store or App Store and here type Instagram and then click on it, and as you see here you will find Instagram. Now just check if there is any update for Instagram, and if you found your update just click on it. Now go back, restart your phone and try again, and if that doesn't fix your problem go to settings, apps, and then apps again, this one for Android phones. Click Instagram, then force stop and go to storage, clear cache, and if you have an iPhone just go to settings, general, and then iPhone storage, and just search for scroll and search for Instagram, then click on it and click offload. I hope that can fix your problem and see you in the next video.